Hey y'all, it's January 3rd, 2022. It's New Year, so we're see if we can't get us on the first bass of the new year. Probably gonna be throwing jerkbait and that kind of stuff around because it's pretty windy and cool outside, so let's see what happens. Oh, there's one. There's one. Let's go. Oh, that is the first bass 2022 on the Megabass Vision 110 jerkbait. Let's get rid of this guy. There's one. Oh, I think he came off. Oh, no, he's still there. Oh, that was a good bass. Oh my gosh. There's one, you guys. Oh, good bass, good bass. Oh, he's not as big as I thought. He's still going. There's another bass on the jerkbait, Megabass Vision 110. I saw the footage I got from my battery died. I only fished for about an hour and I got one more bass on the jerkbait after those two. It's a super windy day, as y'all tell from the audio, so hope y'all still enjoyed it. Thank y'all for watching and see you in the next one.